topic is compound of boron. They are type of oxyacid. Orthoboric acid is H3BO3 or B whole thrice OH. Metaboric acid is HbO2. Tetraboric acid is H2B4O7. Now the preparation of orthoboric acid, that is H3BO3 or boric acid, simply the preparation by hydrolysis. When boron nitride react with water, it forms boric acid and ammonia. By action of HCl and H2SO4 on borax, this is the borax, it is reacted by H2SO4 and form H2B4O7 Na2SO4. Here again H2B4O7 react with water, form boric acid. Now if we just cancel both the reaction with each other, then we form borax react with H2SO4 and water, it forms Na2SO4 and boric acid. On passing SO2 gas in hot aqueous solution of colemanite, this is the formula of colemanite, when it react with SO2 and water molecule, 9 molecule of water, it forms boric acid and calcium trisulfate. Now properties, it is white colored needle shaped crystalline solid, slightly soluble in cold water, very weak monobasic Lewis acid, as it accept electron. Why it is acid? Because it accept electron or donate one proton. When heated to red hot, it decomposes to boric acid anhydride, such as when boric acid heated at 100 degrees centigrade, it forms metaboric. When 160 degrees centigrade heated, it forms tetraboric acid, and again when it heated at red hot, then it forms boric anhydride. Or simply boric acid when heated with red hot, then it forms B2O3 and water. Now next is, it react with caustic soda solution to form sodium metaborate. This is the caustic soda solution, and this is the boric acid. This is sodium metaborate with water. Action of ethyl alcohol on heating with ethyl alcohol, it forms vapor of ethyl borate and it burns with green flame. When boric acid react with calcium fluoride and H2SO4, it forms calcium sulfate and boron trifluoride with water. When boric acid react with sodium hydrofluoride, it forms sodium fluoroborate with NaOH and water. When it react with sodium carbonate, it forms borax and CO2. This is the structure of boric acid. When B is bonded by 3O, and after that H is bonded by oxygen, and it forms the hexagonal type structure, and it is used as an antiseptic and in the preservation of food material. It is used in making eye lotion in glass and pottery industry. Next is borax or suhaga or tinkle. The formula is Na2B4O7 with 10 molecule of water. Now preparation, when colemanite react with sodium carbonate, it forms borax, NaBO2, CaCO3. The solution is filtered and CO2 is passed into the filtrate. When sodium metaborate convert into the borax. When CO2 passed with over this solution, then it forms borax. Property, it is white in color, water soluble crystalline solid. It exists in three forms. First is prismatic borax, second is octahedral borax, and third is borax glass. So prismatic borax is decahydrated. Decahydrated means borax just contain 10 molecule of water. In Latin language, 10 is called as deca. It is common form. It is a commonly formed substance. It is obtained by crystallization from salt solution at ordinary temperature. Now octahedral borax, it is the pentahydrate. Pentahydrate means 5 molecules of water. Borax have 5 molecules of water. It obtained by the crystallization form of salt solution above 370 Kelvin. This take place at the 370 Kelvin. This take place at the ordinary temperature. Now borax glass, it is the anhydrous borax. Anhydrous means without water, and obtained on heating at 750 degrees centigrade. It is colorless glass, absorb moisture from air and get converted into borax. Again, borax glass, its aqueous solution is boric in nature due to the hydrolysis. When this borax react with 7 molecules of water, it forms weak boric acid and a strong base. Now chemical property, it decomposes on heating to forms white transparent solid mass of B2O3 and NaBO2 called borax bead. When this borax 10 molecule which have 10 molecule of water, when it get heated, water get depart from it, and when this dehydrated borax again get heated, it forms borax bead. Borax bead is composed of boric anhydride and sodium metaborate. So with colored salt, that is copper sulfate, is blue in colored. When it react with B2O3, then it forms blue beads, that is copper metaborate. A hot and concentrated solution of borax forms orthoboric acid. This is the borax, and when it treated with H2SO4 and 5 molecule of water, then it forms orthoboric acid. Now these are the all properties and these are the structure. 2 tetrahedral and 2 trigonal units combined together to render geometrical structure of borax. This is the structure of borax. Now come to uses. It is used in paper and pottery industry. It is used in leather industry. It is used in glass, soap and candle industry as an antiseptic in washing of eyes, in qualitative analysis of copper, nickel, manganese, basic radical from borax bead test. These all about the borax and boric acid. Now my question is for today, write down the preparation of boric acid and borax. Thank you.